0.3 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12. Okay. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Now look, 2 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times, write 0. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down these 3. Before this 3 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. So 2 goes into 3 how many times? 2 times 4 which is getter, so 1 time. Write 1. 1 times 2, 2, subtract again 1. To continue this process, since this is a decimal number, you can add any number of trailing zeros. So bring down this first 0. 2 goes into 10 how many times? Okay. 2 goes into 10, look, 10 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. If you subtract, then you will get 0. So 0.15 is your answer.